Hello everyone. I just went to Walmart to pick up some ammo because tomorrow is my birthday and I plan on going shooting. So this is what I was able to find. They had 5 or 6 of these Winchester 100 round packs of 12 gauge, and they had maybe 20 boxes of the 7.62 by 39. I got the 100 round pack of shotgun shells. You can see $25, and I got the Tula ammo for $5.17, and you guys can see that there's a knife on there. I did buy a knife. The knife I picked up, it's a Kershaw Kuro. Picked this one up. Haven't opened it up yet. I don't know much about knives. My buddy bought a Kershaw a while ago and he said he loved it. So I'm going to open it up. What did I got? Feels really light. Pretty sharp. If anybody know what type of blade this is, I'd greatly appreciate it. It's got the clip on the back so I can carry it. Plan on carrying this one around until I get me a better one. It's I don't know much about Kershaw, but just wanted to let you guys know that I did pick up some stuff. And wish us luck on our shooting tomorrow. We're going up to Boulder, where we did last time. I want to take my Glock 21. I want to take my M&P, my 12 gauge, and if you guys want to leave some suggestions what else I should take, you guys have seen my video. Give me a suggestion what you guys want to see, and I'll see if I can do it. Thanks guys. Have a wonderful day, and thank you.